Located in the heart of the Costa Blanca, Alicante is one of the most important tourist destinations on the east coast of Spain. The many golf courses and the calm waters of the Mediterranean are just some of the attractions offered by this beautiful port city located at the foot of the castle of Santa Barbara, a silent witness to the numerous civilizations that have passed through it. The coastline is the favorite place for recreation among locals. The Explanada de España, facing the port, is a lively boulevard with lots of outdoor seating areas. A more modern recreational area stretches along the breakwater in the harbour, where there are also numerous restaurants and bars. Next to both areas is the town's beach, El Postiguet, the perfect spot to enjoy the sea and the sun. Apart from the many nice beaches, the area is popular due to its special microclimate, which gives nice temperatures all year around, with an average temperature in the winter of approximate 16 C degree and during the summer approximate 30 C degree.